Hi, I'm Vishal Dalal, working as a Vice President at Concept Securities Private Limited. Today I'm going to brief you on debt and debt market. Let me start with what is debt instruments. Debt instruments are instruments in which it is carrying some certain coupon rate or interest rate, which is providing regular income to the investors, and on maturity, its capital amount is repaid to the investors. Some of the debt instruments are well-known. Debt instruments are PPF, bank fixed deposits, government securities, treasury bills, certificate of deposits. Generally, institutions are investing in large chunk of instruments like government securities and these national T-bills, treasury bills, all these things. Why debt? Debt is an important part of anyone's portfolio, and it provides safety to the overall portfolio of the investor. Debt provides regular income, debt provides safety of their funds, and that is important for the contingencies in life. That must be part of investment of any other investor. How much return investors should expect from debt instruments? There are two ways by which investor can get appreciation or return from debt instruments. Generally, each and every instrument of debt is carrying certain interest rate or certain coupon rate, which is providing regular income to the investors. But over and above that, some of the instruments are traded in the market, in the wholesale debt market or secondary market, which is providing price fluctuation, depends on yield fluctuation and scenario of the economy. So that way, capital appreciation can also be there. So investor can get two ways of return, that is regular income by way of interest rates and capital appreciation by price fluctuation. Debt outlook. If we look at past few months, our debt instruments has provided good returns plus good yields. GSEC yields were very much high in December-January 2013. It was trading around 8.25% and it is went down to 7.12 in May 2013. It was trading around 8 in February-March 2013, and it has bounced back from 7.12 to 7.75 in June 2013. So it is quite volatile, and it is because of international market, international fund flows and economic scenario. Right now it is trading at 7.62, and going forward we believe that it will be going down, but it will take time. But for the coming few months it will be trading between 7.35 to 7.70. But going forward down the line 1 to 1.5 years, that will be 6.5%. So if investor want to invest in the debt market, they should consider that they can have capital appreciation plus regular income. Normally, investors are investing in traditional instruments like bank FDs, PPF, but if they are falling at the higher tax bracket, that is 20% or 30%, then mutual fund debt schemes will be very much tax efficient. So they must balance between mutual fund debt schemes as well as traditional instruments. So that can provide safety to their overall portfolio. I would recommend that some of the investors should also balance between duration play in the mutual fund debt scheme as well as accrual based schemes, so that if even if interest rates are running in current scenario only, current range only, even then they will get good returns. Thank you.